Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your iPhone SE 2022 USB charging port using home remedies. So remember, never use metal objects to clean the connector, and I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. And as you can see, there is something in my charging port. It's a piece of paper that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So put the one part of the toothbrush in your charging port and gently try to pry out the dirt. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.